Hi, it's Steve, and this is my new Labradoodle, Luna. She's about 10 weeks old. We got her about 2 weeks ago. She's very adorable, and she really likes that chew toy. Here I am. Hi. Welcome to week 2, which is our first real week here online. And we've got a couple of bigger assignments this week that hopefully you'll get started on right away, because they will take probably a couple of nights each. One is on intellectual honesty, and you'll be doing a little bit of reading and some reflecting and in your journal, and then some discussion on one of our discussion boards. And then the second one is creating an Animoto video. Animoto is a Web 2.0 tool that allows you to create videos pretty easily. You'll be doing it on a problem of the 21st century, the kinds of things we were talking about at BOCES this week, things like climate change, energy use, pandemic flu, overpopulation, things like that. Food, the factory farming, and do we have enough food to feed people within a growing population, things like that. Things where there's an intersection of science and politics. And so you'll do that, and you'll be reacting to each other's as well in the discussion board after you post up your video. In the water cooler, there are some tips on a couple of things you'll need to do, including how to embed a video in a discussion board. So take a look at those helpful tips in the water cooler discussion board. Then we also have something else for the water cooler. There was a student who wasn't able to make it to BOCES this week, Joseph Kress. He's a student at the Life School at Horace Greeley and works with me and Ms. Joseph. And we're going to have a little thread in there in the water cooler on getting to know Joseph, so he'll post something about himself, and then other people will respond and post some things about themselves, and have a little discussion there, just helping people get to know Joseph a little bit. He's a really cool and interesting guy. So a couple of other little tips. Again, don't procrastinate the bigger things you should get started on early. They're due midweekish. The discussion board stuff, again, get your post in there, your first post early, and then you're replying at least 2 times to other people for each of our discussions. We really encourage you to do it more often. The more you get in there and respond to each other and respond to the people who respond to you, it starts to feel like a discussion, and that's what we really want. And we'll be grading you on the quantity and quality of your participation. So we're definitely hoping and expecting you to go beyond the 2. We hope you enjoy the week. It's going to be cool. Get into some good habits here this first week as we ease into the course. As always, if there are any questions, email Ms. Joseph or me. Our contact information is available on the announcements page. Have fun, and we'll see you online.